Have a great day, brilliant and active grade 12 learners. Welcome to LNHS TV. How is your day? Good that you are all fine. Today is another meaningful and fun learning experience in the new normal. Ready your mind and open your heart. Just focus, relax, and keep away from disturbances. For you are about to have an EIM amazing learning experience. I am Teacher Roden, your buddy in achieving quality education. Last episode, we have discussed about wiring a single pole switch. And we have learned that a single pole switch can control lamp in one location. Alright, to our grade 12 learners, this is now our fourth learning episode. Brace yourselves, for you are about to enter the world of electrical installation and maintenance NC2. Is it possible to turn on the lamp here and switch it off in this location? I think you are wondering how could it be possible. And yes, it is possible with the use of three-way switches. Three-way switches play an important role in house wiring installation, especially in terms of comfortability of shutting off and shutting on a light bulb inside the building. Three-way switches are used to control a light bulb in two different locations. It is called three-way switch because there are three conductors connecting the switches. And electrically, a typical three-way switch is a single-pole double-throw switch. Three-way switches have three terminals, one common, and one pair of travelers. The common zero tells on the symbol that they are being joined together, meaning these two terminals are the same. The travelers have two terminals, namely traveler 1 and traveler 3. These groups indicates the measurement of the wire to be skinned and which will be inserted to the terminals. And as discussed, the parts of the three-way switch circuit. We have the line, the neutral, a pair of three-way switch, the travelers, the return, and the bulb. Let's analyze the diagram. This serves as our map. In here, we could not lose about what we are going to do. Just like in traveling, you will not be lost if you have the map. It tells here that the line is connected to common 0 of the switch A. And its traveler 1 is connected to traveler 1 of switch B. And for its traveler 3, connected to traveler 3. 0 of switch B is connected to the terminal of the bulb. And the other terminal of the bulb is connected to the neutral. So how does a three-way switch operate? Toggling two three-way switches will cause a closed path to open the bulb, or an open path to close the bulb. So when we toggle the switch B, the current will not flow. Did you get it? Great! We may now move on to the exciting part. These are the steps in wiring a three-way circuit. First, wear personal protective equipment or PPE properly. What are those PPE? Can you enumerate them? We have hard hat. Very good. What else? We have also safety goggles. That's great. Are there some more? Safety gloves. Very good. What else? Safety shoes. Precisely. That's impressive. You know all the PPE. But why do we need to wear PPE? Very good. For our safety. And speaking of safety, we have to remove also all metals that we are wearing, like jewelries, watches, and all our accessories that may lead us into danger. And for the second step, connect line to the common zero of the three-way switch A. When we skin the wire, make sure that we have to measure the wire to the groove so that it will fit to the terminal. Third step, connect the pair of travelers of the three-way switch A to the travelers of three-way switch B. One should be connected to 1 and 3 is connected to 3. Going back, where we could connect the line. Great! Connect the line to the common. How about the traveler 1 of the three-way switch A, where we could connect it? You're doing good! Connect traveler 1 of the three-way switch A to the traveler 1 of three-way switch B. For the fourth step, connect the return wire to the common zero of three-way switch B. Fifth, connect the end point of the return wire to the foot contact of the bulb. This is the foot contact and the thread contact. 6. Connect the thread contact of the bulb to the neutral source. The return should be connected on the foot contact of the bulb, not on the thread contact. If we reverse it, there comes a time our bulb will blink even if we turn off the switch, and may lead also to a busted bulb. And lastly, review connections before energizing. We have to check our connection thrice and more to avoid accident and damaging of the materials which might cause fire. And that's our steps in wiring a three-way circuit. Where do we usually find three-way circuit? On the stairs? On the hallway? Very good! And also in a room with 2 entry points. Example, the living room. Are you ready for my trivia for today? Okay, here's my trivia. Did you know that three-way switch has no toggle lever? Why is it that three-way switch has no on and off indication? Why do you think so? Because when we can turn it off on the switch, and we can also turn it on the same switch. So the manufacturers did not place a toggle lever indicating its on and off position. Aha! Do you have any questions? If none, let's have an activity. In our activity, you need with you your pen and paper. After I read the statements on the screen, you only have 5 seconds to answer. This is the direction. Write true if the following statement is correct and false if it is not. For number 1, three-way switch can control bulb from 2 different locations. Number 2, three-way switch has 1 traveler. Number 3, hot or line is connected to the switch. Number 4, PPE is not an important when performing installation of three-way circuit. And for number 5, the groove at the back of the switch is a guide for the exact measurement of the wires to be skinned. Okay, let's check. I am sure you all got a perfect score in the assessment. It only implies that you truly understand our discussion for today. I hope that we will be again together for another EIM amazing learning journey. At this juncture, let us have a short recap on what transpired today. Earlier, we have mentioned about the three-way switch. This three-way switch can control lamp in two different locations. A three-way switch has three terminals, namely common and two travelers, which are named as Traveler 1 and Traveler 3. We can find this on stairway, hallway, and living room. Also in this episode, you learned on how to interpret diagram of three-way circuit. To enhance your skills for this lesson, you can answer the different activities on your learning activity sheet on electrical installation and maintenance NC2. That ends our learning episode for today. I hope that you have understood our lesson for today. This has been your teacher broadcaster, Roden and Frogoso, leaving you this nugget of wisdom. Surround yourself with a voltage who keeps you on pushing in achieving your goals. Have a great day!